Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called StaffChat. This plugin adds an admin-only chat for your Minecraft server. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the icon on how to install plugins. After installing and restarting your server, join your server. To enable admin chat, type the command \admin chat. You will know it is turned on because it will return AC turned on. This will make it so the admins can talk privately to each other in chat. And to disable admin chat, type the same command and it will return AC turned off. It's that simple. If you have any more questions, we will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can easily use StaffChat plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.